I spoke to a sexual assault nurse examiner today, someone who actually collects evidence for these kits. She says this is a big step, an important step, but there is still work left to be done for survivors in North Carolina. As Attorney General Josh Stein made the big announcement Tuesday that the sexual assault kit backlog is cleared, the room was filled with people who helped make it happen, including nurses like Genevieve Lynch-Sachs.
It's a time of excitement and a time of optimism and hope. I'm really hopeful that this announcement indicates continued support.
We caught up with her today over Zoom as she was on call at the time. Though she has many qualifications, one stands out. Known as a SANE nurse, she's a trauma-informed, specially trained medical professional who meets victims in the hours and days after they're sexually assaulted, providing care while collecting evidence.
How we provide care is pretty critical to how survivors experience their exam, and also sort of whether that exam itself can become an opportunity for empowerment and for sort of starting with growth on the path to recovery. Versus becoming a second trauma.
Genevieve works specifically with Interact's Solace Center, a specially designed rape crisis center that provides care, resources, and support to survivors. Though ending the backlog is a big step, she says there's more work to be done, like the promise of continued government funding.
There have always been concerns about the security of funding of rape crisis centers, which are pivotal to survivors of sexual assault.
She also hopes more nurses will consider becoming SANE certified with support from universities and hospitals.
Continuing to train and to foster their understanding of trauma-informed interviewing, trauma-informed care, and starting from a position of belief of survivors is critical.
And something Genevieve really wanted to emphasize for me today is just because you get a sexual assault kit collected does not mean you have to report to law enforcement right away or even at all. You can remain anonymous while you make that decision, and you can take all the time you need. There is no statute of limitations for sexual assault in North Carolina.